What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online with no money and no websites. I've been having a few complaints lately. People saying all you do is talk about affiliate marketing and drop shipping. We want something that requires no work and I can go out and make some money with this. Guys, it's slim pickings out there. We only have really 2 or 3 major methods to make money online, and that is affiliate marketing and drop shipping. However, I've gone out and I'm going to show you a method that literally anybody can do, and it's not affiliate marketing, it's not drop shipping or anything like that, and it's super easy to do. So if you love to make money online, guys, make sure you smash that like button, and we're going to jump into this, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, and I'm going to show you that I'm actually doing this myself. I'm paying people to do this for me, and I'll show you all of that. And don't forget to tap that subscribe button, guys, and that notification bell so you know when my next video comes out. So guys, you want something simple and easy? Well, here we go. This is not affiliate marketing. This is not drop shipping. And guys, you don't need money to do this. You don't need a website. This is all you need. First of all, anyone can do this. It's not very hard at all. It doesn't take very long to do. Second, you do need to know English. Well, at least a little bit of English, I would imagine. But you will need to know some English with this, guys. This is worldwide. Anybody can do this from anywhere in the world. You don't need any special skills to do this. All you need is time. That is it. And once again, no website and no money. So guys, this is like the easiest thing to do. This is what you've been asking for. This is what you're going to get. So I've been actually paying people to do this for me. Every single day, I'm paying people $400, $141, $237, $1,140. I'm paying people to do this for me every single day, and there's an insane amount of money to be had doing this. Once again, no website, no money. So what am I talking about, guys? Before we actually jump into the method, I want to show you some kind of crazy numbers so you can understand how powerful this is. Now, we're not actually talking about blogging, but we are going to be tapping into that industry with this method. So look at this, how I made $250,000 with a small blog, how I earned $80,000 per month from blogging, how I make $10,000 per month as a blogger, how I make $3,000 a month as a newbie blogger. So we can pretty much confirm that there is a lot of money to be made in blogging, heaps of money. Tons of money. There is millions and millions of dollars made every single month, every single week in blogging. But how can you tap into that with no money and no website? Well, I'm going to explain that to you right now. And that is, guys, are you ready for this? It's so easy. It's so simple to do. Anybody can do it. That is to go onto this website here called ProBlogger.com and go to the job section and scroll down and click on people who are looking for writers. Yes, you can go and apply to be a writer, and you can write content for people. Writing content requires hardly any skills. You only need to know how to type. You only need to know some English. And you can go and apply for these jobs, and it's super easy to do, guys. And you can see I am employing people myself to do this all the time. I have over 40 writers on my team that write content for my blogs. I spend stupid amounts of money on content, guys, probably close to $10,000 a week. It's ridiculous right now because I'm going out and trying to build up these big blogs of mine to make me passive income. We have someone here that this blog is ready, working on a new post. I have posted a link. We'll get your article to you tomorrow. This one here literally just messaged me an hour ago. Your post is ready. So guys, this is what you do. You go to ProBlogger.com. Now, the usual place everyone goes to is Upwork.com, but there's a lot of competition on there. There's a lot of people on there, and it's very hard to get work doing this method on Upwork.com. So I recommend ProBlogger.com, and I even have jobs listed right now. And look, I'm getting all of these writers contacting me looking for work. So what do you do, guys? You go and you don't even need to sign up. I was about to say go and sign up. You don't even need to sign up to this, guys. You go onto this website, you scroll down, and you look for jobs, whether it be in a particular niche that you want to write about, or most of them are like legal writers here, freelance writers, software reviews wanted, photography website content, freelance content for sports betting and casinos, podcasts who thing there. Do you vape? Want to write about it? Let's play. Senior content writer. Oh, guys, there's literally any topic on this website, and you can see that it's getting posted daily. 10th of May, 10th of May, 9th of May, 9th of May, 9th of May, 9th of May, 8th, 8th, 7th, 7th, 7th. Like 3 to 4 times per day, people are posting jobs looking for writers to write content for their websites. Now, let's keep going down, and let's just click on one, okay? Let's go. Need article writer. Hey, that's my job. Believe that one, okay? Content writers wanted. Okay, we go down, guys. It's got some criterias. Be a native English speaker. Follow detailed instructions well. Be skilled with research, including interviews to create detailed articles. And then we go down to here and go to apply. Now, 2 things are going to happen. This one has gone to an off-site application where you can go and fill in the details. But if we go back and we find one that doesn't have an off-site application, like this one maybe. Okay, if you scroll down, guys, apply online. And you can apply online on this website without signing up, without going to another website. So your name, your email address, your message, and upload some files. So here's some examples, guys, of people that have contacted me to write for me. Okay, we've got Rachel here. We've got Aaron. We've got Cassie. Let's just open up a few more. And we'll have a look, and you can see kind of what they do. There you go. Simple text. Got my CV. So you might need to go get some experience, maybe write for free for a while. But guys, you can make hundreds of dollars doing this. Here's some text here. So they just sent me some text. Nice and simple, guys. Here's another one here. Look at that. Easy. Here's another one. Wrote me some content. Here's another one. Wrote me some content as well, guys. So literally, I mean, if you don't do this and you want to make some money online, you must be really lazy, because it's really easy to go and write content for blogs. And blogging is huge, guys. People are making insane amounts of money. There's billions of searches on Google every single week, millions and millions and millions a day, every minute. And I spend thousands of dollars on article writers, guys. You can see here some of my article writers, and here are some of the payments that I'm sending to my article writers. And here are just a few snippets from Pinterest of people who are making thousands of dollars per month as article writers. So that's it, guys. That's literally the most simple method you can do if you have no money, no website, and you want to go and make money online. So no more complaints, guys, okay? This is handed to you on a silver platter. You can go and do this. You can go to problogger.com and you can go to the job section, and there is literally hundreds of jobs right there for the taking, and you can apply to be a blog writer, guys. Now, if you want to learn more methods on how to make money, guys, that do require affiliate marketing or dropshipping, I will leave some videos up on the screen so you can go and watch those. So click those right now and you'll be taken to some more methods on how to make money online. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, smash that like button, guys, and I'll see you in one of those other videos.